the world is changing. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. One of the most exciting and rapidly developing areas is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is already having a profound impact on our lives, and its influence is only going to grow in the years to come. One area where AI is making a big splash is in the creation of videos. AI videos are becoming increasingly common. We see them in our social media feeds, on our favorite streaming platforms, and even in our classrooms. But what exactly are AI videos? And how are they changing the world around us? In this essay, we will explore the fascinating world of AI videos, examining their impact on various sectors, and delving into the ethical considerations that come with this powerful technology. From revolutionizing entertainment to transforming healthcare, AI videos are poised to reshape our world in profound ways. Join us as we embark on a journey to understand the transformative power of AI videos and their potential to shape the future of content creation and consumption. AI videos are videos that are created, edited, or enhanced using artificial intelligence. This technology leverages complex algorithms and machine learning models to perform tasks that traditionally required human intervention. This can involve a wide range of techniques, from using AI to generate realistic special effects that can make scenes look more lifelike and immersive, to using AI to personalize the viewing experience for individual users, ensuring that each viewer gets content that is most relevant to them. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to create videos that are tailored to our specific interests and preferences. This means that the content you see can be dynamically adjusted based on your viewing history and behavior. For example, imagine a world where educational videos adapt to your learning style, providing you with the most effective way to understand complex topics, or marketing campaigns that are customized to your individual needs and desires, making advertisements more relevant and less intrusive. This is the power of AI videos. They can transform the way content is created and consumed, making it more engaging and personalized. They have the potential to revolutionize the way we consume and interact with video content, making it a more interactive and immersive experience. AI algorithms can be used to automate many of the tasks involved in video creation, such as scripting, storyboarding, and even directing. This includes tasks such as editing, color correction, and sound design, which can be done more efficiently and accurately with AI. AI can also generate realistic three-dimensional models and animations, bringing a new level of detail and realism to video content. This can free up human video editors and creators to focus on the more creative aspects of their work, such as storytelling and artistic direction. The use of AI in video creation is still in its early stages, but the potential is enormous. It is rapidly evolving, with new advancements being made every day that push the boundaries of what is possible. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and impressive uses of AI in video in the years to come. From fully automated video production to real-time content adaptation, the future of AI in video is incredibly exciting and full of possibilities. The entertainment industry is at the forefront of AI video adoption. AI is being used to create stunning visual effects, generate realistic characters, and even write scripts. One of the most well-known applications of AI in entertainment is the creation of deepfake videos. These videos use AI to superimpose the face of one person onto the body of another, often with startling realism. While deepfakes have raised ethical concerns about the potential for misinformation and manipulation, they also offer exciting possibilities for filmmakers. Imagine recreating historical figures with astonishing accuracy or casting actors in roles posthumously. The possibilities are endless. AI is also being used to enhance the viewing experience for audiences. Streaming services like Netflix and Amazon Prime Video use AI algorithms to recommend movies and shows based on our viewing history. This personalized approach to content delivery ensures that we are presented with content that is most likely to appeal to our tastes. Beyond traditional film and television, AI is transforming the gaming industry. AI-powered characters in video games are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of learning and adapting to our gameplay. This creates a more immersive and challenging gaming experience. Section 4. Personalized Learning AI Videos in Education. In this section, we will explore how AI is transforming the educational landscape by making learning more tailored to individual needs. AI videos have the potential to revolutionize education, making learning more engaging, personalized, and effective. By leveraging advanced algorithms, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to understand each student's unique learning patterns and preferences. Imagine a world where educational videos adapt to your learning style, providing you with the information you need in a way that resonates with you. Whether you are a visual learner, an auditory learner, or a kinesthetic learner, AI can tailor the content to suit your needs. This is the promise of AI-powered education. It aims to create a more inclusive and effective learning environment by addressing the diverse needs of students. AI algorithms can analyze a student's performance on quizzes and assignments, identifying areas where they may be struggling. This real-time analysis allows educators to intervene promptly and provide targeted support. Based on this data, AI can recommend personalized video lessons that address the student's specific needs. These recommendations are not just generic suggestions, but are tailored to help each student overcome their unique challenges. This personalized approach to learning ensures that students are challenged at the appropriate level and receive the support they need to succeed. It fosters a more supportive and effective educational experience. Furthermore, AI can be used to create interactive video lessons that are more engaging and immersive than traditional classroom lectures. These lessons can adapt in real time to the students' responses, making the learning process more dynamic and interactive. These lessons can include simulations, games, and other interactive elements that make learning fun and effective. By incorporating gamification, students are more likely to stay engaged and retain the information they learn. AI can also be used to personalize the learning experience for students with disabilities. It can provide tools and resources that make learning more accessible and inclusive. For example, AI can be used to create subtitles for students who are deaf or hard of hearing, or to create audio descriptions of videos for students who are blind or visually impaired. This ensures that all students, regardless of their abilities, have equal access to educational content. Additionally, AI can provide teachers with detailed analytics and insights into student performance, helping them to better understand their students' needs and adjust their teaching strategies accordingly. By integrating AI tools into the classroom, educators can create a more adaptive and responsive learning environment, ultimately leading to better educational outcomes for all students. Section 5. The rise of virtual influencers. The rise of social media has given birth to a new breed of celebrity, the influencer. These influencers have become a significant part of our digital lives, shaping trends, opinions, and even our purchasing decisions. These individuals have amassed large followings on platforms like Instagram and YouTube, and their opinions can have a significant impact on consumer behavior. They endorse products, share their lifestyles, and engage with their followers in ways that traditional celebrities often cannot. Now, AI is taking the influencer marketing world by storm with the creation of virtual influencers. These digital personas are crafted with precision, using advanced algorithms and computer graphics to create lifelike characters that can interact with audiences just like human influencers. Virtual influencers are computer-generated characters that are designed to look and act like real people. They are meticulously programmed to exhibit human-like behaviors, expressions, and even emotions, making them incredibly convincing and relatable. They have their own social media accounts, attend events, and even endorse products, just like their human counterparts. These virtual influencers can be seen at fashion shows, product launches, and even in virtual concerts, seamlessly blending into the digital landscape. These digital avatars are quickly gaining traction, blurring the lines between the real and the virtual. Their growing popularity is a testament to the power of technology and its ability to create new forms of entertainment and engagement. One of the most well-known virtual influencers is Lil Miquela, a computer-generated character with over 3 million Instagram followers. She has become a cultural phenomenon, captivating audiences with her unique blend of reality and fiction. Lil Miquela has collaborated with major brands, appeared in music videos, and even graced the cover of magazines. Her success has paved the way for other virtual influencers, proving that these digital personas can be just as influential as their human counterparts. Her existence challenges our notions of celebrity and raises intriguing questions about the future of identity in the digital age. As we continue to interact with these virtual beings, we must consider what it means to be real in an increasingly digital world. Virtual influencers offer several advantages for brands. They can be tailored to fit a brand's image perfectly, ensuring consistent messaging and engagement with target audiences. They are always available, can be controlled to align perfectly with a brand's image, and are not subject to the same scandals and controversies that can plague human influencers. This level of control and predictability makes them an attractive option for marketers. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more realistic and sophisticated virtual influencers emerge, further blurring the lines between the real and the digital. These advancements will likely lead to even greater integration of virtual influencers into our daily lives, making them an integral part of the digital ecosystem. The future of virtual influencers is bright, with endless possibilities for innovation and creativity. As the digital and real worlds continue to merge, we can look forward to a new era of influencer marketing, where the boundaries of reality are constantly being redefined.